Hey there! Today we're diving into a common web design problem that many of us have faced at some point. The issue revolves around creating a web layout where a hero image stays in position while the user scrolls, getting covered by other content. Tricky, right? The struggle is real when the hero image disappears while experimenting with fixed positioning and z-index. But fear not, we've got a solution to tackle this sticky situation. Let's talk about the solution to our problem. By adjusting the z-index of the hero image container to 1, we ensure that the image stays in place as intended. This simple tweak allows the hero image to remain visible behind the content as the user scrolls through the page. It's all about finding that sweet spot where elements interact harmoniously on the page. Remember, the devil's in the details, especially when it comes to z-index and positioning in CSS. Building on our solution, we need to position the content section lower by 400px. By setting the content's position to relative and adding a top offset of 400px, we create the desired effect of the content overlaying the hero image without obscuring it. This strategic adjustment ensures a seamless visual experience for the user, maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the layout. It's all about that delicate balance between design elements for a polished end result. To wrap it up, we've tackled the challenge of keeping a hero image fixed in position while preventing it from disappearing under other content. By adjusting z-index values and carefully positioning elements, we've achieved a harmonious layout that balances visual impact and functionality. Remember, the key to solving web design challenges lies in understanding how different CSS properties interact to create a cohesive layout. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Keep calm and style on.